Hello, friends. Look at me go. I didn't even get a shot of the car. Crazy. Anyway, hi. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. Today's detail is a 2013 Ford Edge. And this is actually going to be a birthday surprise detail. The owner of this vehicle has a birthday coming up in a couple of days, so the family contacted me and asked if I could detail the car for her birthday. So by now you've probably guessed that this is a mom car. This mom is mom to a toddler, a very active little boy, and mom is pregnant with her second baby. So this will be a pretty special little birthday surprise for her. The car is actually not in bad shape. It just needed tidying up a bit. But one of the things that I noticed about this car is it has excellent carpets. You know me, carpets are a big thing for me. The cargo area and the trunk area is usually something that detailers will upcharge for. For me, I do know that it is probably one of the most difficult areas of the car, but I don't charge extra for it at this time. Sand is what I was dealing with today. Now, sand is kind of picky. It gets down into the carpets, and if you try to brush it or even move really fast with the vacuum, it'll fling and then just move somewhere else. So it did take me a while to get this taken care of, but it came clean pretty well. The reason I say that is because, again, the carpets are actually pretty good in this vehicle. I was very pleased with them. So the birthday girl's husband is actually somebody that I know from the trucking days in the last several years. And he was able to get the car away from her, bring it to his shop where I was there waiting to get started on the detail. And he did tell me she knows something's up. Yep, we were up to something. You know, as a detailer, I could get used to the fact that a family calls me and says, "Hey, could you detail so and so's car? Their birthday is just around the corner. That'd be a great birthday present." And you know what? It really is. I never would have thought about it, but I was loving the fact that I was a part of it. And in 4 hours and 15 minutes, the car is done. I sure hope that the owner is thrilled to see that she has a nice, clean car for her birthday. Happy birthday, Caitlin. If everybody would take a minute to like and comment and subscribe and maybe share, that would help me grow, and I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.